how to add PulseChain to MetaMask. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'd learn how you can add PulseChain to MetaMask, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to ensure that you have the MetaMask extension installed already on your account, and then once you have it installed, the next step is to go to your web browser. Right, go to the top part of the screen and then click on the plus icon in order to add a new tab, and then in the search box type out pulsechain.com and click on the enter button. All right, and then you'll be taken to the PulseChain site. So once you're on this website, you can see the PulseChain mainnet has launched, etc. Scroll down and then you can see the option add PulseChain to MetaMask. That is exactly what we are looking for, so just select it. So after selecting add PulseChain to MetaMask, by the right side of the screen, your MetaMask account will be displayed. Now you cannot see it vividly on my screen here because it is not allowed. All right, so after clicking on it, you will be asked to approve that you want to add PulseChain to the account. Ensure you approve it, and then you can decide to switch network to your PulseChain, and then just like that, your PulseChain will be added to your MetaMask. It is very simple, so ensure you try this out. All right, and then by the time you reload this page, it should have been effected, so you can see that's been affected, and now your pulse x, now you can see that it has changed to pulse x and not pulse chain. So if you want to add pulse x as well, follow the same procedures and your pulse x would be added. So thanks for watching and have a good day.